Oh my goodness. Is that a 1987 Peterbilt 359? I can't believe my eyes. This is the holy grail of classic American trucks. 425 horsepower of pure vintage power. These trucks were built like tanks and could run forever. Old Smoky Jerk. What a perfect name. I'm getting goosebumps just looking at it. Holy smoke, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride through the Styrian forest. Our timber truck drivers are the real MVPs, defying gravity and logic on these treacherous mountain roads. It's like a real-life video game, except the stakes are way higher. Who else is impressed by their mad skills? Drop a comment below. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this is about to blow your mind. Self-dumping barges are like the coolest thing ever. They carry tons of wood and then just whoosh. It all slides into the water. It's so mesmerizing, I could watch it all day. Whoa, it's crazy busy out here once those log barges dump their load. Tugboats are zipping around, pushing the logs into place. And those dozer boats, they're like little water bulldozers, herding the logs. But the coolest part is the giant crane. It moves on a track and it picks up huge bundles of logs. Watching it work is mind-blowing. There's so much going on, it's like a well-oiled machine. I'm totally impressed. This Scania Viet R1660 is a total beast. And that log lift 108S crane, it's like a giant's arm picking up those huge logs like they're nothing. It's amazing how smoothly everything works together. The sound of the engine and the logs clunking together is like music to my ears. It's awesome to see how humans and machines can work together so well in forestry. In New Zealand, timber haulage by truck is a critical component of the forestry sector. Robust vehicles, predominantly Scania or Volvo models, navigate challenging mountain roads and dense forests, transporting timber from harvest sites to processing facilities. A modern road network and skilled drivers ensure efficient and timely timber delivery, supporting a consistent supply chain for the industry. Christmas tree harvesting and, oh well, I don't think it matters anymore. Just watch the crazy skills of this helicopter pilot. Yup. He is Dan Clark was a Marine pilot, including flying Marine one no less. Human ingenuity is a marvel, isn't it? Consider this, a 13-foot log, girth of 15.7 inches, likely weighs a couple hundred pounds. Yet with a simple pulley system and a bit of elbow grease, it's lifted with ease. Elegant in its simplicity, remarkably efficient, and not to mention, incredibly cost-effective for small woodshop needs. That's what I call smart work. Wow, hauling timber on these dirt roads is tough, especially when it rains and they get all muddy and slippery. But hey, we've got this awesome dozer and truck to get the job done, no matter what. Oh, come on. The adage, men are just big kids, certainly holds true. They've simply grown up, and their toys have grown along with them. That being said, I wouldn't mind spending my days like this. This locomotive is the epitome of childhood dreams. I must admit, a tinge of envy for those two gentlemen is creeping in. Now that's what I call driving. That MB Track 1000 driver handled that treacherous bend like a pro, even with all that timber in tow. Reminds me why I love this line of work. You never know when you'll witness a master at their craft. port of Pärnu in Estonia is a bustling hub of timber transit where massive ships are continuously loaded with wood, day in and day out. Witnessing the Senebogen 860 E series in action, equipped with its 2.6 meters timber grab, is truly awe-inspiring. The sheer volume of timber handled by a single crane is a testament to its remarkable efficiency and productivity. The operator deserves a standing ovation for orchestrating this symphony of logistics. This, folks, is a golden slice of history preserved for posterity. We're looking at dynamic braked SW1200RSs on the Canfor-Inglewood Logging Railway in Nimkish, June 1997. It captures the twilight years of railway logging, and thank goodness for cameras and the folks willing to get out there and capture it.